In the vast and mysterious world of nature, some animals live their entire lives hidden from human eyes. Join us as we dive into the fascinating lives of the 10 hardest animals to find in the wild. The search begins with an animal so elusive that even seasoned explorers rarely encounter it in its natural habitat. The Amur leopard. With only around 100 left in the wild, the Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats on Earth. Roaming the forests of Russia and China, it blends seamlessly with the snowy landscape. Its stunningly thick spotted fur camouflages it perfectly against the harsh Siberian backdrop, making it incredibly challenging to spot. The saola. Known as the Asian unicorn, the saola is so rare that it was only discovered by scientists in 1992. Living in the Annamite Mountains between Vietnam and Laos, it's believed that fewer than 100 remain. This shy and mysterious creature is virtually impossible to track, and sightings are incredibly rare due to its reclusive nature and isolated habitat. The Javan Rhino. Found only in a single national park in Indonesia, the Javan Rhino is one of the rarest rhinos on the planet. With fewer than 70 individuals left, this solitary creature prefers dense tropical forests where it can hide from human eyes. Despite conservation efforts, its remote habitat and elusive behavior make it a ghostly presence in the wild. The pangolin. Often referred to as the world's most trafficked animal, pangolins are notoriously difficult to find due to their nocturnal nature and unique defense mechanism. When threatened, they curl up into a tight ball, hiding their face and making themselves blend into the forest floor. This behavior, combined with their shy temperament, makes them exceptionally hard to observe in their natural habitat. The giant squid. Dwelling in the darkest depths of the ocean, the giant squid is a creature of myth and mystery. Rarely seen by human eyes, it inhabits the deep waters where light barely reaches. Few images exist of this massive creature, as scientists rely on deep-sea exploration to capture glimpses of it. With eyes as large as dinner plates, it remains one of the most enigmatic creatures of the deep. The snow leopard. Known as the ghost of the mountains, the snow leopard is perfectly adapted to the cold and rugged mountains of Central Asia. Its thick, smoky gray fur blends with the rocky landscape, and its keen eyesight keeps it aware of intruders. Only the most determined trackers, often accompanied by local guides, can hope to spot this elusive big cat in its alpine home. The vaquita. A small porpoise found only in the Gulf of California, the vaquita is the most endangered marine mammal in the world. With fewer than 10 individuals believed to be alive, they are on the brink of extinction. Their elusive nature and limited numbers make them nearly impossible to encounter, and they have become a symbol of the fragility of ocean biodiversity. The Yangtze finless porpoise. Nicknamed the smiling dolphin, this playful creature is found only in the Yangtze River in China. Pollution and habitat loss have driven its numbers down, and it's now critically endangered. Its playful leaps and curious nature contrast with its vulnerable status, making it both a joy and a rarity to spot in the wild. The Okapi. Often mistaken for a zebra, the Okapi is actually a close relative of the giraffe. It hides deep within the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, where its striped hindquarters allow it to blend into the dappled light of the forest floor. Despite its distinctive appearance, the okapi's cautious and solitary lifestyle means it's rarely seen by humans. Each of these animals tells a unique story of survival and mystery, reminding us that sometimes the most fascinating lives are those that we glimpse only in passing, like shadows in the wilderness.